Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nah, today we are going to discuss a very crucial topic from law business. Does it the legality of business entities and in business activities? Yes. Okay. When we talk about business, we often think about products, profit, and competition. Something equally important, legality. Without legal reco- recognition, business is like ships without a flag. It cannot sail safely, cannot trade freely, and cannot be trusted. So, in this session, we'll explore what legality means for business entities, why it matters, what forms of legality exist, and how it affects the daily operation of a company. Let's begin. The meaning of business legality. According to Zaini Ishadi 2020, business legality refers to the formal and legal recognition of a business entity by the government, which allows it to carry out its economic activities within the framework of law. It includes everything from the business legal status, its registration, licensing, tax obligation, and compliance with regulation. In simple terms, legality gives a business the right to exist and the right to operate. Meanwhile, Jason M. Gordon and colleagues 2018 explained that legality is part of companies' government framework. It ensures that business operations follow ethical standards, transparency, and accountability. Without legality, company can be protected by the law, meaning it can make contracts, sue or be sued properly, and it lost the trust of investor, customer, and the public. That's why legality is not paperwork, is the foundation from company. Forms of legal business entities. Now let's talk about the form of legal business entities. According to Sosi Dayanti 2020 and Ashhadi 2020, business entities in Indonesia are grouped based on ownership and legal form. From the perspective of ownership, we have one that owner entrepreneurship, ya, BUMN, Badan Usaha Milik Negara, owned by the government, such as PT Pertamina or PLN. This business serve public interest and national development to private owned enterprises, BUMS, badan usaha milik swasta owned by individuals or private groups. Examples include PT Unilever Indonesia or Tokopedia. Their main purpose is profit, but they must still follow government regulation. From the perspective of legal form, there are several types. One, sole proprietorship. Simple and easy to start, but the owner has unlimited personal liability. Partnership, firma, formed by two or more people sharing responsibility. Three, limited partnership, CV, mix of active and passive partners. Some manage, other invest. Limited liability company, PT, a separate legal entity where liability is limited to shares. Five, corporate, corporasi based on mutual cooperation. Members, each of these forms must be legally registered and approved by authorized institution. From example, PT must be established through national deed approved by the Ministry of Law and Human Rights and registered in the online single submission OSS system. This process gives the company legal identity, which distinguishes it from personal ownership, K-step business protect, and legitimasi. The purpose and importance of legality. So, why is legality so important for a business? According to Ashadi 2020 and Gordon et al. 2018, there are several main purposes of having legal status. One, protection under the law. Two, legal business can make binding contracts, protects its asset. Three, and be defended in court if disputes arise. Four, trust and credibility. Five, customers, suppliers, and investor are more willing to cooperate. Six, with a business that officially registered. Seven, access to finance. Eight, banks and investor require legal document before providing loans or capital. Nine, tax and government compliance. 10, legal registration help the government monitor and collects tax properly. 10, legal registration helps the government monitor and collect tax properly. 11, sustainability and continuity. 12, legal entity can survive even if its founders change. 13, because it has its own identity separate from its owners. In other words, legality transforms a business from simple activity into recognized institution with rights, duties, and responsibilities. It also helps prevent corruption, unfair practices, and consumer exploitation, which means legality is not only for company good, but for the good of society as a whole. Legal recruitments in business activities. Now let's look at what legal recruitment business must meet to operate properly based on Susi Idayanti 2020. These include one, business registration. Two, every business Every business must obtain a business identification number through OS, OSS. Three, business license. Four, depending on the field, business must have operational license. Five, such as trading, manufacturing, or service licensee. 6. Six, tax identification number NPWP. 7. This ensures compliance with taxation laws. 8. Debt establishment. 9. Especially for PT or CP, it must be made by a notary. 10. Environmental and zoning permits. 11. For industries that may impact the environment or community areas. The legal documents show a company respect the rule of law, ensures consumer protection, and contributes to national order and transparency. A company that ignores equality risk being fined, having its operation suspended, or even being permanently closed. The role of law in business legality. Gordon and colleagues 2018 emphasize that the role of law is what keeps the business world fair and predictable. Law defines what business can and cannot do. It regulates competition, protects consumer, and maintains justice in the market. Without the law, business would be like a game without no rules. Chaotic, unfair, and dangerous. That's why the existence of legal systems such as company law, contract law, and business license regulation is essential for healthy and ethical business growth. Conclusion so that to conclude, business legality is not just a formal requirement, it's the soul of responsible entrepreneurship. It protects a company's strength, public trust, and ensures fair competition in the economy. As Zaini Ashhadi 2020 says, strong legal foundation is what transforms business from mere profit seeking into an institution that contributes to national welfare. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more educational content, see you in next one and keep learning because knowledge is the best investment you can make.